I've been reading Liz Tomforde's book, the Windy Seed series, which is about like sports and relationship. It's a group of friends, and each book is about a certain couple from that group of friends. And today's recipe is highly inspired by Dan because on the third book, it's the story about Mills and Malachi. And Mills, she is a pastry chef, highly renowned, really smart, talented, and she shares a recipe of banana bread. That banana bread has an ingredient that kind of took me back, and I was like, can this work for normal recipes, for normal vegan recipes? And I think I finally found the ingredient that will elevate my cake dough. And I think it's something that you also might have already at home that will be a game changer for your next cakes. I already tried this recipe with the banana bread. It was delicious. We ate the cake in 3 days. Today is Wednesday and we don't have any more cakes. And I did it on Sunday evening. Keep in mind, it's 3 of us now eating the cake, but still, I think it's a testament of how good that recipe is. So today I'm going to share with you my lemon loaf, but the base of the recipe is similar and the same for all the other ones. The only thing that changes is the flavoring. Today I did lemon cake. However, with the banana bread, the only difference is I didn't put as much liquid. I used the mashed bananas for my liquid. But besides that, let me show you the star of today's recipe. Yes, what you're seeing is actually correct. This is vanilla pudding. And you ask me, Vanessa, how come you're putting vanilla pudding on your cake? And I'm going to tell you why. Vanilla pudding, or the package that comes with the vanilla pudding, has the ingredients that you want for your cake. And especially for vegan cakes, this is quite important. So it's cornstarch, salt, vanilla aroma, and keratin, which is a stabilizer. And this is what you need for your cakes. So you people that are curious about vegan cakes, you that are maybe a little bit concerned that the cakes will not taste the same, I'm telling you, vanilla pudding, the package, this is gonna be a game changer for you. So let's go to today's recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Stay cozy, and I'll see you towards the end while we taste test this delicious cake together. Now that you are comfortable in my kitchen, I'm gonna ask you to grab 3 lemons and I'm gonna zest them. First, we'll start by making our lemon sugar. Combine fresh lemon zest with granulated sugar. Use your fingers to rub the zest into the sugar until it's fragrant and slightly moist. First step infuses the sugar with all bright lemony flavor. Now, let's separate our dry and wet ingredients. In a large bowl, add flour, vanilla, pudding mix, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna ask you to swift everything together until everything is well combined. The vanilla pudding adds a subtle vanilla flavor and keeps the loaf moist. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients, soy milk and neutral oil like vegetable or canola oil, and a freshly squeezed lemon juice. As you can see, I did not use fresh one because I was lazy. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and well blended. The lemon juice reacts with the baking powder, giving the loaf a lovely rise. Now pour the mixture into the dry ingredients. Gently fold everything together until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want our loaf to stay light and fluffy. Transfer the batter into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper, or as you saw, I lined mine with margarine because I have quite an old baking form that has been loved for many years. Smooth and top with a spatula to ensure an even bake. I'm gonna ask you to preheat your oven. This is something that you should already know what to do. But for my cakes lately, I've been preheating the whole oven and adding a layer, so a tray underneath with water. So inside my oven is like steam. Please bake your cake at 170 degrees for 40 minutes. or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your lemon loaf cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to the wire rack to cool completely. As you saw, I also made my lemon drizzle. It's time to slice this beautiful vegan lemon loaf and enjoy its soft, tender crumble and refreshing lemon flavor. The cake is cooled. As you can see, we have already eaten some, but I wanted to try it with you on camera as well because you deserve it, darling. You deserve it. You want to see the fluffiest cake, the most moist cake, the most delicious cake. Do you really? Look at it. Look at this beauty. This is the fluffiest vegan lemon cake you will ever had. Let's try it. Lemony, not too sweet. So fluffy, so moist. Please disregard the previous recipe I made of lemon cake. Make this one instead. So good. Let me know if you ever tried this recipe. If you do, please comment down below. I honestly just thank you for being here. Thank you for watching another video. I appreciate you. And go make this cake. Treat yourself. Mwah. Ciao.